welcome to Chisa.
Carlo Motoya Chisa. How cool is that?
You know what I'm saying? Ain't no rabbit in this hat. Ain't no half cap, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna be here all night. Let's get this party pumping.
Okay.
Finoli, Thabani. Umbhedo wani lo sicede ukubona lana? Nisho ukuthi umsebenzi wenu uphelele manje?
Well, badinga nje kuphela ukufundiswa nokuboniswa bandla. Mina ngiyayibona i-potential Jem.
Yeah, no, definitely.
I-potential. Sidinga ama-stars. I-potential is not enough, Vinolia. Siyamoyeni in 2 weeks. Sidinga ama-stars right now. Do you understand that?
Kodwa mara nawe nomonde uthe ufuna ubuso busha. New talent. And akukho that easy.
Nithembise i-channel ukuthi nizoyenza ichisa i-hit. Sidinga ama-presenters ane-magic. What we call the it factor. If anikwazi ukukwenza lokho, ngizoyikhansela le contract.
At least in the title sequence. Kodwa mara yazi taps.
How V? Wena kukho nelincane nje kujabulisayo.
Ngathi awubona nje ukuthi mangabe angiyithola ipresenter namhlanje, then I'm dead.
No, ungakhathazeki man, soyithola. Njele no Shane sibaye ukuthaza zo audition. Ngabe ngayithela phe kwaSbu endleleni. Cabanga.
Sbu. Oh, lo TS Records. Oh, come on. Lo muntu lona kana sikhathi sama TV shows. And uShane yena uyayazi inkinga yakhe uthi ama drugs.
Yes.
Nisakhuluma nje ngayi. Ikhofi.
Ngiyabonga Thuli. Yazi ukuthi yini? Ngicela ukuthi uphume ngaphandle ufunela a brand new career ngikhathere lokho.
Oh, ayibongo Shane. Apparently kuthiwa sekuphela unyaka eclean.
Oh yeah. Yazi kuthiwa uhamba waye rehab ngemva kokuthi aqoshwe kule soap.
And muhle kanjani?
Ngingazi ukuthi Shane kanti inhlobo yakho kaPenda.
Hayi akayona ukuncoma nje.
Iqiniso lithi once a drug addict always a drug addict. Yazi uShane yena uright kodwa nje I will not take that risk.
Cishe lento lena.
Awube man. Izolo nje kuphela lena.
Manlahla. Ayo mashaya yezo. Esekubona ngicabanga ukuthi sasigena vele. Asha lapha la. Wona mamkhulu ufuna ukufana nawe boy.
Ngizomtshela nje sobona.
Hola boy. Mr. Sound Engineering 2006. Boy. Abona ndleke senzile mfana noDilas. Ayazi ashiya baba boy.
Ray Work Production.
Work Production. Ngawuzodlala wena. Wona mfana wena beyobela sigela mfana. Uzona track imnandi kanjani boy.
Bafana iselanga umsindo ngakawehlisele iredo yakho. Check vele la.
Yazama. Awuthi kwenzakalanga ngale family. Zephi indlebe? Yazini, impitha yankela abo Dr. Wendlebe ne. Ene nina no2 fungishese round ngoyo nhlole. Akuyafana mfana. Noma ngayicisha manje, usala usazoyiza ku radio and the track lena mfana. Iyothola record dinners. Abeka wazi music mfana.
Etrackeni idinga umsebenzi. Aphinda ngazo leliphungeni ungakulendlu njengamanje. Ngiphinde nisebenze kule track yeni. Ngoba nobabili bese nifile.
Breakfast. Look no problems. I can't spoil.
Tshela ngathi ungabhemi lensango yakho la endlini.
Mamela ke boy. Bala. Uphathele indawo ezimnandi mfana. Usho uthe uDJ Sibuzo base Rosebank mfana ekseni. Akasondolanga ngani boy?
Hayi sho boy. Hayi somngena nemfana.
Ya sho boy.
Ngizwakala no.
Hola mfana.
A scorching new experience. Chisa. Kids, don't try this at home.
Chisa. Yu, awunyanzelekanga ulophule ke wethu.
Helang. Hakusakho kotile teng wa mind. Abo. Ke thopa ka ntšha ena.
How mind mas? Ne ke batla go ikadima fela.
I do mind Ayanda. Malaba mona o kadimne jacket ya ka ebe wa ilahla.
Oh please. Ke a go kopa hle. Please sweetie. Le ndibalekile kum. Ke na le auditions tsa Chesa.
Chesa. E hlotse papatsa TV. Ke taba tse monate tsena.
Jwale ge nahana. Housemate ya hao sele ile one of the presenters.
Ko thabetse Ayanda. Fela thopa ka ntšha. Ke boloketse dibeke. Ena ke soka ke e apara.
Ha, Maschaba. O ska tlo ba stingy hao. Metswalle ya nnete ya supportana. And food is not like you have a hot date.
Ho lokile. O ka nna enka. Ke a o tshehetsa le wena wa tseba.
You're a star, sweetie. Mwah.
Hello, Njani?
Speed. Thena usebenza nje.
Uyazi iwes Ayanda. Vele ahlale nje, angasabukeli nokubukela iTV. Vele ahlale nje angijemele.
Speed. Umama uqine neinhloko kaloku buti. Kaloku uphelelwe ngumsebenzi. Jonga, namanzi ukwazi ukuza namhlanje ekhaya. Kodwa ngizoza ngomse va? Okay?
Okay.
Ubani lobo uthatha naye efonini?
Ayanda.
Hey wena. Yeke kumele undihleba. Enye into, yakana nokuhluphana nodadweni ngoba ubhanqa.
Upaxton ulele la ekhaya izolo ngoba esebenza till late. Bese recorder ka short.
Hayi. Uhleke ngoba usuqalile ukusebenzisa ulwazi lwakho la sound engineering oyifundelayo ndodana. Khosikhosi. Ingathi ngizophuza futhi ukubuya namhlanje. Sale kahle msebenzi.
Sizoyenzani ke lo nyaka Thabo? Siyasebenza?
Yo ma. Kodwa for imali kwamanje ho. Ya ngoba ngisazama ukuthola record deal for mina nobafana.
Ungakuhle lokho. Imfundo mfana nami into esemqoka kakhulu. Webafana. Wena okhipha udoda ngisho uzungasali enquleni yawo. Sizweni? Sengiyahamba ke. Ngisaya kwi literacy project yami ke.
Mfuthu. So na kusashinda mfana. Bona noma ngibuya kwa.
Afana. Kabe ngikushuka intsango.
Yabona uyangisukela bokungasiyimi ngibhema intsango. Bokupaxton nami ngivuswe iphunga la ngamtshela ukuthi ayilahla.
Yazi ngathi lokungani bakhona noBucks ngizofuna kuphela. Isiqhwanqhwanga lo muntu mina uthathekile uhamba ama jam ama vibe.
Ya ngifuna ukufana nawe. Ngivaleke office the whole day.
Yazi ukuthini buti? Emhlabeni amathuba abaningi njengokucabanga.
Coming, baby.
you. This is a surprise.
You smell like a bird.
I had a couple of beers last night. No crying, that is the...
I was only joking.
So I thought Robert was back in town. What are you doing here so early?
Oh, baby, isn't it wonderful?
What?
Sharp Pictures asked me to audition for this new show today. Chisa. Apparently, we're about to.
So you're going too?
Baby, I mean, with this long contract, I could leave Robert. And then you'll be working again after.
Yeah, after being clean for more than a year, yeah. You know what? Actually, I was just surprised when the director called me. But maybe the industry's finally going to trust me again. Give me another chance to prove myself.
I trust you.
I know. That's why I love you.
I love you too.
Audition is only after lunch.
Shouldn't we be rehearsing?
It's called chemistry, baby. Something we have in spades. Where are you? Hi, baby.
Gogo babe kade efonile. Uthe ngikhonzele.
Precious akuchiwo njalo. Uthi ubaba ufonile, uthi batsho nginivuse.
Ubabe kade efonile, batshona ilodge.
Uthi khona ukuya nini eSoweto?
Gogo ngabuya kanjani? Unemsebenzi omuhle kanjani le eThekwini?
Ngiyazi nasele ukhuluma nje, selomkhumbulile uyihlo mntanami. Nami lokho nangikhulako nganginje.
Aziqinisile gogo. Kodwa ngizomona ngeChristmas. Futhi uma uthe uzongithengela izipho ezinhle kanjani? Gogo ngiyazi ukuthi awuthandi mangimbiza uma. Kodwa yena nobaba sebana 10 years bashadile. Ayikho enye indaba.
NgesiNdebele wena. Uyazibona unyoko bekathanda amasiko kangangani? Uyazibona bekazikhakhazisa kangangani ngesiNdebele? Hayi.
Gogo ngiyasithanda isiNdebele. Futhi ngithanda nesiko lakhona. Ukuthi nje ubaba ungikhulise ngumZulu.
Tshela mina wena, imbalo zona uraga njani esikolweni?
Gogo kunzima. Mara kunama revision class after school. So ngizoya. Azimara bengicabanga. Kusela ama weeks ayi-few nje wesikole bese ngiqedile.
Into zingachuguluka noma kunjalo. Ziyachuguluka izinto kusephasini la.
Relata tsibayana.
Basitshaba khona kubusela kushwaqa ngithusa ushaba parking.
Mani, hona mani. Sithoto sena sitoyinka.
Oh no, he won't.
Sister, yedle parking sithole kuqala.
So then, get a faster car.
Oh, boy. That's a shade, boy.
Hey fana yimi ne. Bengukhumbuza ukuthi uze kuma dance rehearsals namhlanje. Ngicela uze tu. Anyway, sharp.
Mina mngani wami. Ngicela idate yami ukuthi aze kuma rehearsal. Umuntu nje wavele wasisineka.
Ngani wami wangavela uthole enye partner.
It's just that angikhoshona ukuthi ngizoza. I mean wena bakuthungela ingubo enice kanjani. Ene mina nginani? Next.
Ngamuntu mama kho bengakusaveli for irock.
Oh no, she was until boyfriend yakhe found out ukuthi she's got extra money endlini.
Mngani wami. Azibukenza irock.
Sorry, yazi ukuthi utishes for.
Awushele wena. Wena uyathi finish, somja finish. Akakamo ukuthi finish. Athi mama yes. Boss, come on. Vamos no mundo. Olha. Isso é bom.
Go, Mrs. Wellington.
Thank you.
Pinky? I have to leave at lunch today. Doctor's appointment. Girl trouble.
Last time you used that excuse, it was supposed to bring me a doctor's letter.
But I lost it. I told you.
You can see the doctor in your own time.
Lunchtime is my own time.
Of course. As long as you aren't late getting back. And it's company time.
It's not my fault if the doctor keeps me waiting.
And it's not my fault if you get fired.
Okay, ke wa tijelo Ayanda. Lapa la heno le tshepetse go wena.
Masitshaba, senthembe wena ngoku. Ngicela uxolele uPinky xa ebuza after lunch ukuba ndiphi. Ngixelele ukuba ugqirha undithumele kuma-blood tests.
Akeke ba dumela nthweni.
Masitshaba, kuthani uligwala kangaka? Huh? Cinga nga-something, Masitshaba, anything. Wasithethe nge-rocket science apha.
Asenna lekwala.
I'm so sorry, sweetie. It's just that ama-nerves ami ngenyawo. Ngicela ucinge ngenye into torho. Kuyayitsi gore wena ukeke wamphoqa.
Ncane ungayicedi. Bam. Azuma sengila mfana sengasesigela. Ngathi ngavele ngivale nje ngemark register. Bathule incwadi kinga kanjani?
Wala, short. Ya Paxton, mana uma nomamela ndoda. Ehle kuyazi noma wazi ukuthi chesibuku ufana. Yeah? Mana akekho le respect show. Mana serious man ndoda. Sha pictures angithi.
Ethami yami ungayicedi ndoda.
Yeah, sure.
Showtime, peeps!
Shane. Yo, buya clean gabi yazi. Mhlawumbe wayekile ama drugs ngempela.
Usho njalo. Amaphepha asho njalo so uyabaza bayikhuluma into engekho.
You're right. Hi.
Hey guys.
Bandle nobuni nayo khona la.
Hey, usanda kuphuma kuleya soap nje about a week ago.
Yes, mangibhela ngathi yena noShem bangasebenza kahle kahle gabi yazi.
Njalo.
Yeah.
Robbie Malinga.
Ngiyaphila.
Hola, TS Robbie Malinga. Usibuka ntakazanga mfana ku-audition.
Usibuka mfethu uyabhaziseka ubhizi nge-TV program manje, you know. Manje ngize ngizomvalela ngizona nganawo nama-invites ukuthi ziyawa namhlanje club destined ebusuku.
Sure.
Yeah. Yazi ngina idea. Le phasha yakho mhlambe singenza sizoshutha i-insert nyana ne?
Yo, masekhona nina kuba nzima ke. Asifikeni ke sibona ke nilate.
Okay, ngizobona later ke mfethu. Bye bye.
This is a good idea.
Nice. We can get some nice footage.
Okay. Colo ngibambela nami.
Hey, Taras. Hey, shabu kunjani let's go. Hola.
You! Emmanuel Landela! Hey guys, this guy's some kind of a pervert!
Marasisa ngisukela yazi mabhebeza. Ngathi ngicala nokubona nje mfethu. Aze ngiqhubeka ngale nto yenzayo ngikutshela. They be perfect all over you baby.
Good. Iputama yazi mfethu sigijima the whole day sifuna no-DJ Sibuka yabona. Besifuna idemo kahle kahle besicela ukuthi ayimamele.
No, brother Sibuka is looking for new talent, Joe.
Vumile boy. Sure, umkayisithi yena.
Yo, boy. Engiziflow mfana so ngishekile. Ayisa, no mara mfethu unganaki man. Ngiphethe idari yakhe lana. Awuthi nginicheckele ukuthi singalishaya iphilanga. Kusasa bafethu 1 o'clock sharp.
Yeah, sure.
Ningabi late
Let's go to cut like that.
Oh, cut like.
Sure.
Hey, sir. Bora sengikhotha ubuntu ayikhadi.
All right.
Nawo amakhadi bafethu.
Sibonga kakhulu futhi.
What's up?
What's in the kayama?
You, not a long time, yeah?
Long time, man.
Good, man.
I'm not sure, man. Never found out what's going to be in City. Kawusibuda ukuthi abaseta amaJeep angenelele kuyina.
Hawu bafana and Buxton.
Buxton, yeah.
Sure. You know, that used to be my dream, you know, to make music.
Yeah, serious.
Good, man.
Weekend is a Tomile. The Chevrolet Pony can not chase. It's so hot I don't even know my own name. Kena Pony and the Chevrolet.
As if lessons it was just Tiban again.
I know Baganjan, I'm fed. Plus, Velek Dalam from Bitana now, and all the damn like to Alan.
But it's also good auditions. Man, you know what? You should give it a try. Being on TV can help your music, build your brand.
Right.
Show veg.
Chop.
I see so that's. Hola, show van. What is he doing here?
He came to support me. I couldn't talk him out of it.
So what happened when me and you rock in the audition?
We will. So please don't do this.
Konke oko nokuninzi kwenye edition entsha yechisa. Ndingu Ayanda. Ndichisa amaphepha, ndichisa namabox.
Siyabonga sisi. Got something.
I bet you were great, yeah?
Ayikho lanto bendiyenza phayana. Khakucingi benokhuphisana njani nalo nomvotsho wesiteni esingaka.
Sorry. Putti? Next.
Mina?
Yeah, when I was Slut, boss.
Why not? Call her over, Don.
Ring now or.
Aye, big camera, sir.
All right, no, sure. I'm fetching so there long, sir. Fetch, the hell no Prince land. Yanjel, the show land, vote, chesa, and the sympathetic staff is by none and you couldn't believe. I mean, expect the staff, and the staff, and expecting the staff.
Wait, Rafio.
Hello. Yeah, man, yeah, shooting your wazas. What are the regular soap, you know? Really hacking. Boy, Mbulel and fun. These are the Shannon. I would, boy.
As for now, I'm fatuous audition and as. Women die energy now, as spirit, but responsive is grand, Joe.
So what happened to your husband?
He left. I see you made a new friend.
Well, he's getting to know, you know? In case she gets the job.
You're so not funny.
As in the ass, Gibanda was a love. Well, you live next door to a friend of mine, yeah?
Oh, you've got friends. That's nice.
I want a human fun. I was about
Man, how about we go grab a beer?
Sure.
Yeah? Let's do it, bud.
Hi.
Hey.
Go director, ne?
Yeah?
You rock.
Well, thanks.
Mamela, bengicinga uba ndenze ntoni for callbacks. Ndisho uba ndicela mhlawumbe usukwana phaa emsebenzini.
Hawu, bengicabanga ukuthi uthe usuyatholakala nje noma ngabe kuningi.
Oh, hayi ewe. Available into yokuba lo msebenzi endiwenzayo umsetyanzana nje wethutyana.
Okay. Uzokufonela before kushona ilanga namhlanje.
Asambe siyodla lunch.
Yeah, sure.
awubalike wena. Wenzeni ngovinole?
Bengikhumbule kanjani sithando sami? Ngibulawa isithukuthezi nje ngihlela lapha ngedwa. Sorry.
Azi kumele inhlanhla sifuna ifathe. And mekukhumbule nami. Ize nombuya kanje.
So, how did it go?
Festival. Big grand. As the industry iyabhaza ngiyakutshela.
And i-meeting nama-producer yona?
I'll be right. Bafuna iscript ngokushesha lapho. Athi ngibachaze nge-short film yami. Thank you.
For?
The plane ticket. As if I'm interested, ngizogazini nje.
Uzobahlanya kabi if they're not interested, man. I mean, namanje nje angaze ngibone i-first film engcono kunale yakho.
Anyazi le trip engidinga kanjani. Athi uthole inspiration nawo wonke lokho. Singazizwa futhi sengiredi ukuqhubeka nokubhala futhi yazi.
Khuluma ngokubhala. Athi ungacala nge-episode 1 eyetshisa.
Yeah.
Yazi wena amandla awazi. Awubheke nje lo doti.
Series kumele ngabe yashisa ibuthi amalangabi. Like a bushfire, just fanning the flames of a cultural revolution. Chase.
Very nice for the intro. Qhubeka lapha.
Yazi ngidala zibhanoyini ukuthi ndiyanjani udayisa le movie yami. A road movie. Oh, the great South African road movie.
You know, ngijabula kabi ukuthi benesikhathi esimnandi manje. Well, it's been hell on this side. Uyazi ukuthi is-audition abantu abangakanani and still lutho. Nine channel is threatening to cancel a contract yami.
Lalela. Sila ndipoya le one mina. Bese ngokuxoxa ngale film, okay?
Right.
Yes, Joe. There's nothing I want to do more than umculo, Joe. Just that my boss will buy my abaqali.
Why? Because it's not a stable career?
Abancane with the clubs, nama drugs. Yeah, into sipso.
Bafana, you know what? It comes with the territory, buddy.
Yeah, fit.
That's so.
Sure.
He's got the zingits, yes. Tengses you jengi ko.
Ndoda mina nye ngitsho nento ngileyo. Hayi ndoda sibona izinto ezomosha umzimba wami. Yabona ijoint othiwa kusisimoke esibhayi. Coke. Bahla mhlobo.
That's a damn expensive habit, man.
Ngitshela, ikwazi ufike kanjani ndoda? I mean wena why boy tune?
Well, because I could, you know? It feels good. It kind of gives me a buzz. Indenza ndizive ngathi ndindoda emadodeni. Ngathi kungekho umuntu onongiqhela kakubi kubani?
Ndoda, mara is coke already mos ndoda uyidingi coke.
Don't believe all that TV stuff, buddy. At the end of the day, we all just scared, eh? And anyway, fame does not put food on the table.
Yekela. Msebenzi kabafana loyo.
Akabunje manje lo muntu. Ngiyawazi ukuthi ukuphi.
Kunokwenzeka ukuthi bambeke esikolweni phela. Ini?
Ma ubafana balalo mngane wakho uBaxton. Kwelo umgaqo mina ngangithuke futhi mangase ngeze ukuthi ubafana akasayina college.
Hayibo. Ubafana uthi uyazi ukuthi ibiza malini le khosi yakhe.
Hola. Yeah, it's Bafana. Eh? Serious? Sharp. Ayekela put big ngizoyenza.
Webafana ungitshela, yini uhambe ebusuku kangaka?
Mama, ngicela ungakwadi.
Uyazi ukuthi uwe ngikwatisayo. Uyangithukuthelisa nje nama uvula umlomo wakho nje.
So wenzeni manje mfo?
Ngidojile eclassini mama namhlanje. Bengeke audition ye-TV show iChisa. Yazi mama, bebafuna ama presenter.
Ho, kanti ayifundelwa yini lento yena mayo ka TV?
Mama. Into mayikufanela, iyakufanela. Yabona njengayo iTV le, bayangifuna futhi kusasa for yona.
Hayi, awukahle wena. Yazi ukuthi na uvula nje nomlonyana wakho, uyangimangaza.
Hello? Oh, hi. Uh-huh. Okay. No, ngabantu basha? Oh, no, that's no problem. Enkosi kakhulu. Bye.
What?
Bambizile gape go Chisa.
That's good news. Well done.
What am I going to weigh?
Manje uthini ngomsebenzi wakho? Nke ke kae ke le tjena nna?
Go lokile ge ke tla ya.
Shane. Benzovisitele ichume emehlale next door qhabe ngeke. So then I thought I know there's this fly lady that lives next door.
Ke mang Ayanda?
Ke Shane Sibaya.
Yeah. That's very funny.
Ndifumene call back namhlanje, wena? I'm so excited. Ngena phakathi.
Shane Sibaya. Gale ke tseba re tla kopana le leng la matsatsi.
Okay, she's a bit of a fan.
Ska kgathatsa ka mgo ke apereng khateng.
A drink to celebrate?
Listen, I'm off to bed. It was nice meeting you.
Okay. Okay.
Yazi ntoni? Ndlela le bendinervous ngayo. I really need some tips. Lo msebenzi yeyona nto yakhe yabaleka ebomini bam.
I'm all yours.
Oh, uthupulekene nomsebenzi wakhe.
Ndivile umxolisi sitsho. Kodwa ke kuza kufuneka siyothetha naye ngomso.
Hayi kuba kunjalo. Kuzafanele libale ngofumana omnye umsebenzi.
Ndiyambona uyibetha ngoyaba lento. Thami, kudade wethu lo. Kuza kufuneka simncedile.
Ayanda yena unceda bani? Le mali anakunika yona tata incinci kakubi ukuba uncede.
Uthi ufumana imali encinci apha sebenza khona ayonelanga.
Utsho njalo kuwe. Nobe exokisa ke tata. Lamntu uhamba ngomyobo wemoto. Nempahla enxibayo iyodide liphezulu. Ndithi ubuso bakhe buthe ba kwi-billboard zonke zentengiso yecream yobuso. Kumuntu efiswa lo. Ayephofu ingxaki yakhe leyo.
Thami, that's enough.
Tata, masiza kuba zindlezane thina. Abantwana bethu bazaqhubezela benze njani? Bawuzaya njani ecollege?
I said that's enough.
Ndiziva ndolungelo usuku lwangomso. Enkosi. Well, ndicinga bafuneka ndiyolala ngoku.
Kunganjani nilalapha? Singahamba mosuba ichunga umsebenzini.
You're joking, right?
I'm not joking, baby, and you know it.
Get out.
Come on, man, you've been flirting with me all night.
Oh. Xa umuntu ongumama ekubonisa ubuhlobo, lo nto ithetha uba ufuna ukulala nawe? Out.
Dude, come on, don't
Out.
do this.
Ugoduke Shane.
Okay.
Alilanga kahle. Hayi lisheni yena. Wa baba.
No, he's not. Ndendamgxotha izolo. Nalimona sibake ngisantho elingwe fela. Nabatla urobala lena.
Utisise.
Naxa ndendazibuza emva kobe hambile. Ba ndenze into right na.
Engwaneso. Ha o letho le phoso le lentseng. Le sa tsebane lo tsebana.
Naxa lo nto ithetha ukuba bendizoba nethuba le right lokufumana ichisa.
Awunitifatsi ntho yena.
You are hopeless.
Mamela, ko jweditse ke ka hlola ke bua maka ho Pinky hapa ke.
Mashaba, ana wa itse gore mosebetsi o botlhokwa jwang mo honna?
Le nna mosebetsi wa ka bohlokwa ho nna Ayanda. Ke maswabi.
Fine.
Malama utushini zakho.
Hayi, aqala ngo-12 baba. Ngisathi nje ihora nje lodwa. Nasesikolweni ngizofika ngesikhathi.
Hayi kanti bengifuna ukwazi ukuthi ngabe yakhokhelana into ethelevishini yenu.
Angikazazi kwamanje.
Precious. Ushayini Precious Sizolo.
Nami uyongishela imessage efonini yami.
Ubomfonela wendodana. Phela ungeke wazi amakhosikazi.
Kahle bo.
Eish, nganginayo time. Cela usebenzise ifoni yakho.
Nansi lapha.
Ngiyabonga.
Sawubona ma.
Sawubona mntanami.
Bafana uwe. Wangangifonela ngizolo.
Ngiyangabambeleka kuma audition eChesa.
Audition yechisa. Ile show wonke umuntu akhuluma ngayo ne.
Yeah, nabathi ngiyeza futhi namhlanje.
So, angeke ukhodle ngama dance class ne.
Yeah, okay, it's fine.
Okay, ngizaza kini ke.
Can't wait to see you there.
Oh, okay.
Khumbulela kakhulu yasibheke.
Sure, bye-bye.
Sure.
Lotshani gogo.
Nivuke ekseni namhlanje.
Gogo bengifunda. Bekulindiwe efonini. Besikhuluma nge-dance class. Phela i-theme ye-the say Latin.
Wena nolindiwe nifanele bona nikhambe nobabili ngamalanga. Yi?
Hawu, gogo ulungu umngani wami.
Ingathana kuya ngami. Ngathana wena nolindiwe wanisiba ngani? Ulindiwe akasimfazi walitho.
Mina ngicabanga ukuthi usentshintshile gogo.
Akusuqala isikerde sakhe isigcebhezana sesikolo. Hayi.
See, Robert didn't come with today.
Not now, please.
Ndiyabona ba uhambe kahle izolo.
No thanks to you.
Jonga. Ngiyaqonda uba mhlawumbi nje ndakuthetha grabaxa nawe izolo. Mhlawumbi ngeke ndikuvumele ubulala ekhawutshini yami.
That's okay.
Ndiyacela ungangiqumbeli wethu.
You know what? You've been a very bad girl, so please go do your warm-ups.
Hello. Hello. Kunjani mabhekazi?
Andizukuvumela ukungicapukise namhlanje. Awubalekanga ngolohlobo. Late, very late.
Fikutshela abantu bakho futhi bakufaka iqala sokwazi uvasa tu.
Sofika ngesikhathi Dr. Kusibuka kantini. Mana uchile, hey, mfo.
Ubundle. Uyincutshe kulento ne?
Oh, sure, she was born to do this.
Njengawe. Nina nobabini izolo. Benizingcutshe.
Yeah, man. We're born to be together.
Okay. Ngicela sizamene enye into manje. Ngifuna uAyanda noBafana on stage.
Sorry. Bengicela ngibize Prince.
Oh, okay. Prince and Ayanda on stage. Ngicela nihlale lapha ekhawutshini. You know what to do. Stand by. Roll cameras.
Lavuthi tyholo ekugqibeleni ena show evutha be.
Sure, iyathisa baby.
It's Chisa.
Yeah, and njalo ngolwesine ebusuku. And
Gonna be chilling.
You're gonna be chilling with me, the prince. Bow down, good people, because the prince is in the hizza.
And with me, Ayanda.
Sure, right, her too.
Cut.
Bow down, people.
I get we're inexperienced.
So, when I outing him was the show. Ngisho kuba khona isoapy.
Okay, let's say it's so. You talk more than anything.
Well, you were great.
Thanks. Fela tla sama handle like ya le Shane.
So, wena no Shane, khona mhlambi into eqhubekayo.
Ke manga jodi tseng.
Dinamehlo ndiyabona.
Ke ne ke kopa roska jo sa motho. It's kind of like a secret.
I guess it's khona into okufuneka ndikuxelele yona. Ushene bepha kwami izolo. Emne bufuna ulala nami.
Thembela siyazi khona apha phakathi man. Thembela. Thembi. Intoni ke le? Yho, ubenyanisile umxolisi. Hayi ke, uyewathatha ntoni umxolisi ke ngoku?
Ebenekhala weza kum.
Indawo. Indenza ndibe nosisi. Hayi, yilishwa nje okwangoku. Sisi, kuzafaneka uye eclinic.
Ugqirha angakunceda.
Kodwa msukisi kudala ndibahamba ogqirha. Futhi enye into azange bandinceda nganto. Ebomini kukho iintsuku ezinhle nezimbi.
Sisi, ndiyakucela uza kunxiba wena noThami niye eclinic.
Hayi, shame. Ndiyathemba izinto xa zizimbi ngolu hlobo uAyanda ufanele ancede more.
At last, for the show that burns like a bushfire. It's Chissa.
Yeah, now you are going to be chilling with me, Shane.
And with me, Bonnie.
Amane mfoso walethu siposambe man.
Uhlale phansi kanti.
Xa ungathi nihlale phansi wena man yazini. Kumele choose phakathi kwalombhedo umsebenzi wethu.
Yile chapareni yenzayo eh?
Sister, it's just that ngishaye isikhathi yabona.
Inkinga yami leyo.
No, akusinkinga yakho. It's just that important lento kumele ngiyenze.
So, lento le mina engiyenza la ayikho important yini
No
na?
sister. Yazini, yabona ukuthi sizele la ayikho important. Into important music wethu, please.
Angisusi wakho. Ngibheka kahle yezwa. Ngicela niphumeni. And wena if ucabanga ukuthi ukhona umuntu ozoqasha lapha kule industry yethu, forget it. Hambani.
Ngiyaxolisa sisi ngizolinda.
Hamba uxolisa le masontweni. Phumani njengamanje.
Fana, samani.
Taban from the top please.
All right, guys, same place.
Hari butwami.
Chanza ngesipani nenazi.
Mfethu ngishiyithisa John gijimela wena butwami. Cela nje umamelele staff. Cela nje umamelele staff.
Inhle nemnganami.
Nawu, ngathendala intombi. Uyazi ungikhumbuza wena nobafana nisebancane. Wayecacuciwe ngefuna ukuzodlala nawe.
Ay mama, ruba fana webe kanganandlebe.
Oh, kodwa buke namhlanje usucedile nokuceda esikolweni.
Okay, asambe. Ukubafana.
Ngikade kumfonela mara ngathi phone yakhe off.
Hayi uzofika maduzane.
Philiwe. Uhamba nabona ngimacheck dance.
Hayi ukuthi ngisayikhangela idate maka mangibhekile mina nawe singafanelana yazi.
Ningafanelana nemnganami.
Fanele. Mina nama dance nama lessons angihlangani.
Yazi kulula kanjani waza ngikubonisa.
1 2 Get me a bucket of water cuz tonight on Chisa we about to set the house on fire people.
The new face of Chisa.
Yazi igama elihle kanjani mfana? Mina ngambona emngcwabeni kaMessi. Washaya enye anti-drug speech lapha kuthuka wonke umuntu. Kodwa
Tabs, kodwa siwenza njani? Isikhathi sesihambile phela uyazi. Ngikhona manje kwamele sithathe i-risk. Ngicabanga ukuthi ngizofaka i-clause kwi-contract yakhe ikhuluma ngama-drugs and alcohol, ne?
okay. Indawo enzima kakhulu ke manje. Ayanda or Bonnie?
I've made up my mind.
Sengibashile. Precious. Akaphathekile kahle.
Akayedwa ndodana, sonke sidumele. Angazi ukuthi kwenzakalani ngobafana. Uyazi ukuthi yini? Sekufike mina la sengicinene khona ke manje.
Iqiniso baba nami impela ngazi.
Chesa, na vibe like corner. Chesa, yakwazi ukwenza awuskita sijiva noma kanjani.
Awubheke.
Yini?
Incwadi esitshela ukuthi ubafana kudala agcine emaklasini. Kodwa yini ngalomfana?
Ngumama uye wathini ugqirha?
Oh, Ayanda. Uthi nginento entsha ngoku. Muscular degeneration.
Ngaphezulu kwaleyo nayo mama, i-retinitis.
Wentombami.
Mama, uthi uyaze uphinde ubone nje. Mama, kuzokwenzeka ntoni ngoSpeedy? Mama, uSpeedy kufuneka ahambe ayokwenza i-test. Ezinamntu azenzayo ngelaa xesha ndana-12. Uyaqonda phofu uba le nto iyadlulela kwisizukulwana?
I'm confused, boy. Ngisazi ubani sitha ubani umngani. Ngoba kacado lodla futhi abantu ababenyusa boy. Mara yazini, shele nazi ukuthi indoda ayikwazi umkhosi wayo. Zobuya, zovuka sopholisa lenxeba. Shele for boy. Wonke umuntu uyadeserve a second chance.
Your life bigger than us, your fame bigger than us, your hype, the pressure on my fans bigger than us. Politics applicate to me, they're bigger than us, bigger than us, show, bigger than us. Your life bigger than us, your fame bigger than us, your hype, the pressure on my fans bigger than us. Politics applicate to me, they're bigger than us, bigger than us, bigger than us.